Okay, this is part 3. So here's the new filter. Put some oil on the gasket. Leave it ready. You're going to go underneath. Okay. So you screw it on. And when you see it, when it touches, you look at it and you want to go almost one turn. It's kind of hard. And that's just under one anyway. And it's on. Give it a little bit. You don't want to do it too tight because then it won't come off the next round. Alright, now that we've seen that there's no oil dripping anymore, I'll put this screw back in, the bolt, hand tighten, get my adjustable wrench, snug fit, and then you were done. So we're going to clean up, wipe all this down. That's on, filter's on, oil's right there. Come back out and come up here, open this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 5 quarts of Valvoline synthetic oil, and you're going to want a funnel for this. Bear with me as I wipe the funnel off here because it has water, and you don't want water in your oil. So there we go. You get music, bird music, as we do this. Alright, so we have a Nissan V6.